Hello. Today we are here with Luis Gonzalez of Flexitallic at the PMEIS show in Pasadena Convention Center. And today Luis is showing off some of their wonderful gasket products. Luis, what's going on with gaskets today right now?
Sure. No, we've got actually a lot of exciting things going on in gasket technology. One of our newest and greatest products that we are launching in the market, actually has been launched for a while, is our change gasket. And this is the newest design in gasket technology. It's designed with a different profile wire. This allows it to have some plasticity into it that most gasket designs don't have. A lot of customers are giving it a try. We've had a lot of successes in the industry, especially in a version called our Change HF, specifically designed.
Change HS?
Change HF. For hydrofluoric.
Okay.
Basically, this is for any alky surfaces that are out there. Obviously, real problem area in a lot of plants that has a lot of leaks.
Yes.
This gasket is designed to stop those leaks, and it's been doing very well. So, along with the Change and the Change HF, these are probably our most exciting products. It's one of our fastest selling and fastest growing products that we have.
So who are some of the people that are buying these products?
Valero has bought some. Actually, a lot of people have them, from Exxon to CP Chem. A lot of these large companies that are giving these problem areas a try with new gasket technology are using these.
So the feedback from some of these early adopters is really positive right now?
Absolutely. They come back and say, okay, we're going to try it, but we're going to do it over a long-term period. We're getting studies that are being completed showing almost zero leaks in applications. So that's huge improvement from what they had in the past. Also, there's other designs for this particular technology, including plugs. A lot of fin fan plugs. We're working on a new design that will actually help that problem area, because you go to any plant, and one of the biggest leaking applications is the fin fan and heat exchanger application.
Okay. And I'm sure that these comes in all kinds of sizes.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. I mean, down from 1 inch all the way up to 50 inch. We
Wow,
all sizes.
big.
So,
Yeah. All right, well, listen, Luis, good luck at the show today. Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.